Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. It is fantastic to have you here once again for a new video. Today I will unbox and review a camouflage waterproof bag good for all your outdoors activities. You can find it on eBay or AliExpress for only $14, and this is what I received. In my opinion, it is very useful to be able to bring with you some dry clothes or other belongings and keep them perfectly dry in any weather conditions, especially in water sports, at sea, when canoeing, or in any other wet environments. I have to pay attention not to cut the bag. Here it is. I choose the orange 20 liters bag, but you can find bags from 2 to 30 liters in many colors. This is the bag, and it also has the double adjustable shoulder straps. The material is 500D PVC tarpaulin, thick yet pliable. You can find also bags with single strap, but this is more convenient in my opinion. These are the instructions to seal the bag. Basically, you have to fold 3 to 5 times the upper part and connect the buckle. It has also 4 D-rings to connect the shoulder straps. All the components are made of plastic to avoid oxidation. The carabiners, the rings, the swivels. That's it. It seems a very good bag to me. It is strong, tear abrasion and puncture resistant, and the buckle seems of good quality plastic. The straps have 2 swivels each to allow you to open and close the bag without tangle them. The bottom is reinforced. Let's close the bag and try the straps. The buckle is solid and made out of good quality plastic. As you can see, the bag is airproof when properly closed. The straps are wide and comfortable on the shoulders. The 20 liters capacity is perfect for one-day trips. Every component is thick and taut. Here you can see the lower D-rings. They are stitched and sealed to avoid any infiltration inside the bag. I turned the bag inside out to take a look at the internal seams. They are thick and well done. Let's take some measurements. The bag is 67 centimeters or 16 inches long and 35 centimeters or 14 inches wide. These are the detailed information and instructions. Take a look at them if you are interested. That's all I have for you today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and as always, thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.